In this video, I will be showing you how to make wavy text in Canva. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva homepage and looking for a template to use as a base. I'll scroll down through the Trending Near You section and select this professional business card design. I click Customize this template to open it in the editor. With my design open, I'll first select the text I want to transform. I head over to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and search for wavy text. There are several great apps we can use, but for this one, let's use the Text Warp. I click Open to launch it. Inside Text Warp, I'll go to the Preset tab. I type Helene Paquette into the text field so I can see the effect in real time. Now I can customize the settings. I'm also going to change the color to white so it matches the card's theme, and use the sliders to adjust the bend and the overall shape. I'll change the font to Alpha Slab 1. Once I like the look, I click Add to Design, and move the final version into its permanent position on the card, replacing the original text for a professional, wavy finish. And that's how you make the text wavy.